Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut or assign an accessibility function to a button press, specifically to our volumes up and down simultaneously pressing and holding for 3 seconds. So a shortcut of sorts. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options menu. Next, in advanced settings, as you can see, we have our volume up and down keys and side button as well, combos that we can assign options. So for example, let's use color inversion, and now we have color inversion under this shortcut. So at the top we have our short explanation. Choose what to use when you press and hold the volume and up and down keys for 3 seconds. Of course, we can assign multiple options, and now we have both functions under this shortcut. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.